project. Welcome to the channel. As you can see here, I've been waiting this all week. And some of you guys are curious what's in the box. Well, if you haven't noticed, if I get close enough, it's from Atom Polish. Now, I ordered a kit for my 2017 WRX due to the winter we've been having. This car's filthy, and I really don't want to take my car to the car wash, so I decided to buy a kit to wash my car. And if you guys are curious what the kit is, I bought a Atom Polish daily driver kit with a few other items. However, due to the fact I would love to use this products right away to wash my car, but however, oh crap. As you can see, it's snowing and very fucking windy. Oh, there's my Mark II Supra. Anyway, back to the box. So, I haven't seen what's inside yet. I just opened it just to make sure nothing's broken or anything. So, I'm gonna start unboxing the rest and see what's inside. Alright. Just open the box a little bit. Now, as you first see, I see a iKey foam sprayer. This with one hand. I've been seeing this lately on their website. It's actually different branding, but it's actually made by this company. I've seen how it works. It looks pretty awesome, especially if you don't have a pressure washer. So, you as I've seen, you pump it up, but we'll open that there. Let's see what else. Let's see what else is inside. Paper. Okay, the bucket. Ooh. Oh, we got a brush here. Not a clue how to use this. Figure that out later. Oh god. Go. What do we have in here? Candy. Very fancy. So here, forget that. Oh, very fancy. Ooh, a nice Ferrari. If you order one, you probably get one of these books. Alright, so we're gonna leave this aside. What else in here? Invoices. Ooh, and oh damn. Well, that's kind of fucked. We'll figure that out. Alright, so we'll put this over here. Alright. Use my flip flop. It's a lot more comfortable. Alright, let's open this. Wait, I seen this here. It's the Atom Polish bucket. I only bought the one, so I have other one lying somewhere, but you know, this one has a few items. Let's open this. Oh. There we go. Twist is open. Cool. Alright, let's see what else I got here. We got a 10-inch card wash pad. Another 10-inch card wash pad. Here, we got the Ultra Plush drying towel. Heard this was good. I think I have another one in here somewhere. Yes, I do. Yeah, I got two. And they're not part of the kit. I actually had to buy them. Those two I had to buy separately. And that one's also separate too. With, where is it? Ooh. With the Ultra Foam shampoo. We'll just leave that there for now. I bought separately, so they're not part of this kit. I bought that separately. They just add into this bucket. And same goes with the Ultra Plush drying towel. That, however, is part of this kit. Let's see what else is in here. Another brush, probably for the wheels. Borderless gray plush towel. Two in here. Yes. Now, let's see what product we have in here. We got detail spray. Heard this is good. I see them use it a lot. Ooh, the car shampoo. I would highly recommend this stuff. It smells really awesome. It works pretty well, and it's good. Okay, let's continue on. Eco all-purpose cleaner. Not a single clue how to use this. So, well, there's probably directions somewhere, but as it says, Eco all-purpose cleaner. H2 guard and gloss. I think this is like a finishing gloss finish or something. After you wash the car, you use this stuff. Alright, so that's cool. What's this here? Viscous clay. So I think you do this before you do the H2 guard. Pretty cool. Cool. And then, of course, you got the sprayer for the stuff over there. And then you got the bucket itself with the grit guard. Cool. Alright, here, you guys. Here's all of them lined up. Pretty cool. Pretty even stuff. From this wash pad all the way over, except for those 2 plush towels. Everything from here is all in one kit. I bought that plush towel as additional, and then of course the Adam Polish Ultra Foam shampoo that is included with this foam sprayer as a kit. I heard a pretty good thing about this. It's very foamy, especially if you use this. I do have the foam cannon, however, unfortunately I do not have a pressure washer. So it's useless without a pressure washer, so it's just sitting in the corner at the moment. I heard this stuff here is really good. It's had that gloss. It's a very slick shampoo, so this way you don't scratch your car. Now, the foam sprayer, however, I've never seen this. This is the first time I've seen this system. This probably just released earlier. By the way, they did have a special when I bought all this. There was if you use the code, their discount code was 15% off. But however, that sale was already over. I happened to luckily got into it, so lucky me. So anyway, so I actually do want to open this one. I haven't opened it yet. I've seen a few videos of it so far, so let's take a look at it real quick. Alright, here's that foam sprayer. It's by a company called IK. Never even heard of them, but if Adam Polish has it, I hope it's pretty good. So anyway, now I did saw a few videos of this, how this is work. So let's my camera. So like I was saying, I saw a few videos how this works. So and what's included with this box? You got the nozzle spray and oh shit. Nozzle spray here, the filter, I think, whatever, well at least you got plenty. Of course your instruction, which I highly doubt anyone's ever gonna read, and of course the sprayer itself. It's a plastic feel. Of course you got Adam Polish logo here. Like I said, I don't have the chance to use it due to the weather, but I will definitely review it when the day is nicer, when the weather is nicer. So, anyway, as you will see, you got your button here to spray out the nozzle. Then you got your pump here. So you fill this stuff here, the shampoo here, in here, water, leave a little space, you pump. And then, of course, the foam comes out here, and then you got your nozzle. You can control your nozzle in all your direction. And then you're done. There's the pressure release. You just pull that, and then release the pressure. Now, I don't know the detail what these nozzle does. However, as I've read, the ones in it now is actually your standard foam spray, your snow foam. That's your standard stuff. Now, the 2 nozzle, I actually have to look these up. I forgot. I remember seeing what they tell, but I do remember one of them is a dry foam, which is basically a consistency of shaving cream. For guys, a woman who shaves, that's basically what one of the nozzles does. The other nozzle, it's as they said, is for car, for foaming the car, so it has more dwell time, so it stays on it and then slowly as it lifts dirt. I am not going to go into that. So, but if you want to know more detail, go into Adam Polish website. Look for check it out. I would definitely want to try this out. I've used this one. It's pretty good. I like the smell of it. Oh yeah, it's like a melon smell to it, but it's gonna be different to everyone. But anyway, so when the weather clears up, definitely use that and try the rest of the product. And also, I do have other stuff planned and record. However, it has not arrived yet, so we'll later on that time. So this is. So anyway, you guys, if you like what you see here, I will link the description below of each of the products. The kit I will leave as one, and then the stuff I bought additionally. So for you guys, if you like what you see here, please subscribe. I have other materials I'm waiting